Today we are going to do the exercise 86. Exercise 86 is based on the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. But before we start the exercise, let me explain how this answer comes when you open this bracket. Firstly, you cut this bracket into two pieces. A into this bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Take the other piece plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. Open the bracket. A into a square will give you a cube. A into minus ab gives you minus a square b. A into b square gives you ab square plus b into a square gives you a square b. B into minus ab gives you minus ab square, and b into b square gives you plus b cube. And now see carefully. Can you see this term and this term is exactly opposite? Minus a square b plus a square b cancel. Here plus ab square minus ab square cancel, and you will be left with a cube plus b cube. This is the formula for this question. So learn it thoroughly. A cube plus b cube. This is how you get the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We will be applying this formula for the exercise 86. Come on, repeat the formula with me. A plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now exercise 86, first sum. (27 m cube plus 125 n cube). Write this sum in this form: 3m the whole cube plus 5n the whole cube. Now the sum is similar or identical to this. I'll use the expansion formula: 3m plus 5n, second bracket, 3m the whole square minus 3m into 5n plus 5n the whole square. Open the bracket over here. 3m plus 5n, and the other bracket will be 9m square minus 3 5s are 15mn plus 25n square. This is the answer for sum number 1. Take down sum number 2. Sum number 2 is p cube plus 64 q cube. Now this I can write again in this form: p cube plus how many, what cube is 64? Let's check. 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. So I can write 64 as 4 cube, the whole cube. This is similar to this formula. I can apply the factorization. P plus 4 cube bracket, second bracket, p square minus p into 4 cube plus 4 cube the whole square. Open the bracket now. p plus 4q p square minus 4pq plus 16q square. This is the answer for second sum. Now go to the third sum. Third sum is y cube plus 216. Now 216, if you have to factorize, if you can do directly, it's fine. 6 2s are 12. Sorry, 6 3s are 18. 21 minus 18, 3. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6. So the perfect cube of 216 is 6 cube, and I'll write it as y cube plus 6 cube. See, again this is identical to this. Apply the formula. Y plus 6 y square minus y into 6 plus 6 square, and your final answer will be y plus 6 y square minus 6y plus 36. This is sum number 3. Now come to sum number 4. Now in sum number 4, the question is 2a cube plus 250b cube. If you see carefully, here you cannot find perfect cube of 2. Here you cannot find perfect cube of 250. So there is somebody who is stopping us from taking us the whole cube, and that somebody is this 2. So take this 2 outside, and inside it will be a cube plus 2 into what will give me 250? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 125b cube. Again I write this in this form. 2a cube plus 5b, the whole cube. So now we factorize this by the formula above. 2a plus 5b, new bracket, a square minus a into 5b plus 5b, the whole square, and your formula gives you this answer. A plus 5b, a square minus 5ab plus 25b square. This is the answer for sum number 4. And now take sum number 5. Sum number 5 says 343 plus 512 k cube. Now very carefully, we have learned the chapter cube and cube roots. The numbers will be helping you if you know those answers and learn the answer there. 343 can be factorized in what way? Can somebody give me an idea? Yes. 7 4s are 28. 34 minus 28 is 6. 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. So I can write this 343 as 7 cube plus. Can someone give me the idea for this number? Now, can you tell me the factors for the number 512? Should I try with 8? Okay. 8 6s are 48. 48 minus 51 is 3. 8 4s are 32. So I get 64 here. Again, 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8. And now I get the perfect cube of 512 as 8 cube. So So 8k the whole cube. Now this is exactly like the formula over here. So again I apply the same thing. 7 plus 8k and the new bracket for 8 square minus 7 square minus 7 into 8k plus 8k the whole square. So your final answer is 7 plus 8k. In the new other bracket it would be 49 minus 7 8s are 56k plus 8 square is 8 8s are 64k square. This is sum number 5. And now the last sum is in the form of fraction. The question is a cube plus 1 upon 8a the whole cube. Let me read the question again. A cube plus 1 upon 8a cube. I will write this question in this form. A cube plus 1 upon 2a the whole cube. Isn't it same like this? Apply the formula. A plus 1 upon 2a and the new bracket is a square minus a into 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon 2a the whole square. So your answer will be a plus 1 upon 2a, a square minus, now look here, I can cut this a to a ones are a and I get 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4a square. So that was exercise 86. Hello children, now we come to exercise 87, the last exercise of this chapter. Now in this exercise we will need the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now again I'll explain how this answer comes when you open this bracket. Again, cut the bracket into two parts. A bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Again the next piece minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Open the brackets again. A into a square. A into ab, a square b. A into b square, ab square. Now be careful here. Minus b into a square minus a square b. Minus b into ab gives me minus ab square. And minus b into b square gives me minus b cube. Now very carefully again note it, see here. A square b minus a square b. They are plus and minus opposite, they get cancelled. Plus ab square minus ab square, these two terms get cancelled and so you are left with a cube minus b cube. So this is the way you got this formula. We are going to use this formula for exercise 87. Come on, copy down the first question first. First question says x cube minus 8y cube. Write it in this form. X cube minus 2y the whole cube. Apply the formula. X minus 2y bracket x square plus x into 2y plus 2y the whole square. Now open the bracket and write the final answer. X minus 2y x square plus 2xy plus 4y square. So this is the answer for the first sum. Now take the second sum. Second sum says 125 m cube minus 27 n cube. Write this in this form. 5m the whole cube minus 3n the whole cube. Apply this formula. 5m minus 3n, and the next bracket will be 5m the whole square plus 5m into